Long ago, there were twin brothers. Esau loved to hunt outdoors, but his brother, Jacob, loved to stay home.
One day, Jacob made a delicious red stew. Suddenly, Esau arrived, extremely.
Sell me your birthright first, then I will give it to you. Take it!
I am dying of hunger. What good is a birthright to me now?
Esau lost a special blessing just for a bowl of soup. Kids, remember to think before you act.
Isaac had grown old, and his eyes were dim. Quick, Jacob, put these goat skins on your arms.
The voice is the voice of Jacob, but the hands feel like Esau. Are you really my son Esau?
Yes, father, it is I.
May God give you the dew of heaven. Be master over your brothers, and may nations bow down to you.
Father, I am back. Rise and eat the game I caught for you. What? Then who was it that I just blessed?
Father, do you have no blessing left for me? Jacob tricked me again.
I am sorry, son. I have given the blessing to him.
Jacob, your brother is furious. You must run to Uncle Laban's house right now.
But when can I come back home? Jacob had to leave his cozy home Even though he got the blessing, his lies tore the family apart.
Before the rain, there was a dream. Ahoy there! Time to start building! Whoa! This log is as heavy as an elephant! Whoa! This log is as heavy as an elephant!
Noah, don't forget to seal the seams tightly. No room for leaks here.
First floor is done. Almost finished with the top.
Done. Perfect.
Come on in, everyone. Our new home is ready.